I spent the last 3 hours deciding whether a variable should be a string or a string view. The result? Well, 0 lines of code, but an architecture so clean you could eat off of it. If you suffer from the genius overcomplicator syndrome, welcome to the club. Today I'm talking about 7 programmer habits that we think make us senior developers, but are actually just stopping us from shipping code. Let's dive in. We all want to write clean code, but sometimes we go too far. Instead of solving the actual problem, we spend hours debating who does what, which design pattern to use. One is never enough. Separation of concerns, seeing responsibility. At the end of the day, all I have is just one line of code, a masterpiece of engineering of absolutely nothing. Documentation is like a unicorn. Everyone says it's beautiful, but nobody has actually seen it for real. Writing it takes forever, and it gets outdated before you even finish writing it. To be honest, it usually explains the obvious, while ignoring the why I wrote that workaround at 3 a.m. My favorite excuse? Well, my code is self-documented. Yeah, sure it is. It's so well self-documented that in 6 months I won't even know who wrote it. You see this line of code? What does that true even mean? Does it delete your operating system? Or does it make your app crash? Nobody knows. You have to go to the definition and pray your IDE doesn't crash. The fix? Use enums. It is longer to type? Yes. It is ugly? Yes. But at least I won't accidentally nuke the production server. It's a death trap. You write a class, and before you even test it if it works, you start benchmarking. How fast it is? How many clock cycles does it consume? You are optimizing a function that will be called once a year. It's like putting a Ferrari engine inside a toaster. Is it cool? Maybe. Is it useful? Absolutely not. Even worse, optimizing code before you even write it. You spend 5 minutes staring at your screen, choosing between a char pointer and a string. You worry about memory alignment for an app that just displays a grocery list. If you have ever worked with rendering APIs, you have scars. The problem is, now you see bottlenecks everywhere, even where they don't exist. Working on a single branch for weeks. Feature 1, feature 2, some bug fixes, total refactor, all in one giant mess. Your branch becomes a parallel reality. When you finally try to merge back to main, good luck with conflict. At this point, you have 2 options. Stay up all night crying, or force push to main and buy a one-way ticket to Mexico. It's time for code review. The code has drifted so far away from where it started that you don't even recognize it anymore. What do? You glance at the diff. It's way too long. You check for typos in the comments. Or pray nothing explodes. You hit the merge button as if you were hiding evidence of a crime. Looks good to me is the biggest lie in software engineering. The funny thing is, we all know these habits are toxic. And yet, tomorrow we'll do it all over again. Because deep down, we love making things complicated. What's that stupid habit you just can't quit? Let me know down in the comments so I can feel less alone in my insanity. I'll see you in the next useless refactor. Bye!